Confident in my beliefs, I adjusted my language to, I'm not the most religious person.
Exit dive! Blew right through the stop. Blew right through the stop. Oh, look, I'm stopping like you're supposed to.
Well, not always. We've had fluctuations, but we're typically a AAA credit rating, which means that, like, anyone looking to buy bonds, like...
It's double-lined. You cannot pass here. Why couldn't you wait until now to start passing? But no, you had to be freaking impatient because some douchebag in front of you is doing the speed limit. Like, freaking people.
And from Judge Chutkin, what she's laid down so far.
What, really?
Love the pause. Please pause.
It's in the back row of the top-heavy Democratic side of the Senate at every session, listening, absorbing, learning. His is the conventional way. He ruffles no
Why are you on the wrong
oldsters,
side of the
feathers,
street?
treads on no toes. These Brandeis teas, as Marquis Childs would write, had become a slightly awesome institution in the capital, with Mrs. Brandeis presiding as umpire over a kind of musical chairs game designed to give the justice 10 or 15 minutes of individual conversation with as many guests as possible within an hour and a half. Truman was not accustomed to meeting such people, he had told Lowenthal candidly when the invitation was first issued.
Left turn lane dive.
Even more spindly was attending Dunstan Hall, a private school for girls, which was another financial...
Exit dive.
There was no time left for a measured appraisal, Atchison said. Greece was the rocky...
Exit regret. Nice cutoff.
least complimentary understanding of the term. That he, Harry Truman, could honestly propose
Exit dive, screwbaroo, screwbaroo, screwbaroos to the exit dive. Right turn lane, dive. Really, why'd you have to pick this lane? Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Over the line!
Stay on that side of the line. Really? Red light run, red light run, red light run.
the city or from Garfinkel's in Washington, mostly double-breasted, grays and blues, and cut to accentuate how trim he was. He could still get in his old army uniform, he liked to just said simply, "Brave men don't belong to any one country. I respect bravery wherever I see it."
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
As only a few were aware, Truman had asked Clark Clifford to prepare a comprehensive analysis of Soviet-American relations, the first of its kind.
Turn from the center lane. And you just run the red light anyway because you're a frickin' Dodge Ram driver, and, you know, Ram drivers are the worst.
Ex-Secretary of the Navy. In Missouri, praise for Stark was overflowing. He was called Missouri's moral leader.
Little Tay is dead, and everybody was like, "Who the fuck is that?" And then
I felt.
And then a day later, Little Tay and her brother had died too. No, they didn't.
Wait, that was no left turn up there. Had to be.
If you go viral once now for something like that, that means you're a name. Especially if you have little to your name.
Red
You know what I
light
mean?
run, red light run, red light run.
But I think I know somebody who might be able to get me in, but we'll
No, stop.
Crosses had been burned near Lee's summit. Klan membership was growing in independence, and two of his opponents,
Really?
Parent and Shaw,
Really?
had Klan support.
Really? Why'd you go over there if you weren't going to turn left? You started out being in the correct lane, and now you're not in the correct lane, and now you're just being dumb and just saying, why?
And says the text does not say so many. It says so shall they be, which denotes all
Right
kinds
turn
of
lane,
things.
dive over there, Hyundai.
That like when they encounter God, they're afraid they're going to die when God appears on the mountain. Well, humans.
Red light run, red light run. I'm like 90%. Yeah, that was definitely red light run.
Sure is. And you know what? As they say, Cecil, the dildo of consequences rarely comes lubed.
There's cars there. What the fuck? Really?
With a head so massive it looked oversized, even on so large and
Really? You know, this happened the same time. Yeah, this happened the last time I went through here. Really? You got like the trim around your fender is like sticking out and like waving in the wind. You might want to fix that.
slaves were held, which was nearly half the slaves in all Missouri. Over the line! In Jackson County alone, there were
The hell
more
are you
than
doing
3,000.
Why are you on the wrong side of the street?
Me with his revolver and broke out two of my teeth. A first battle of independence was fought before dawn the morning of August 11,
Really?
1862. When Quantrill and his ragtag band came screaming into the square post of duty, his work was always up. Further, he was very ambitious. I do not...
Wait, that's a no turn on red. It's not 6 o'clock yet.
Vivian to help. So some 4 or 5 months later, Harry was told to quit his job and come home.
No,
Family
stop.
came first. If his luck, their luck, the will of the fates were all uppermost in.
It's double lined through here, and there's a blind curve up there. That car could have came sweeping through or whatever. Yeah, bad. Stop it.
Casualties among the infantry were heavy, as high as 50% in the 35th Division. Litter cases at the dressing
Really?
station at Chapee numbered in the
Crosswalks
hundreds.
right here, dude.
14 ambulances loaded, confident and expansive. There were jobs, and local government, the organization,
You almost
was
didn't
providing
stop
those
there for a second.
Under the direction of city manager Henry had to borrow a car and drive back to Washington, fighting heavy traffic the whole way. Arrived at the White
No,
House
stop.
as her father's broadcast was about. Strikes against the government must stop. The Congress and the President of the United States must work together. And
Red light run. Red light run. Red. And that trailer really frickin' ran. Holy crap. Bad! Stop it!
days later, the coal strike too ended. On May 29th, John L. Lewis met with the coal operators at the White House to sign a new contract. Lewis, it appeared, would be a
Left turn lane dive, scuba-roo. No campers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No campers in the left lane. No, you can't be there if we're in Connecticut. But we are not in Connecticut. We are in upstate New York, north of Syracuse on I-81. There's no truck restriction here. But we're going to make believe we're in Connecticut. And you just passed the speed trap, too. So you were going faster than me. Pull him over. Now he ain't going to do shit. Because why would he? Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, I'll see you next time in the next video. Okay, bye!